how to scale and anchor a node. First, you need to select the node that you want to anchor or scale. Then, to scale the node to your project and device, you want to make sure that these green anchors are at all of the corners of your node. They must be aligned to the corner of your node. Then to anchor to a corner of the scene, you want to place the node at the corner of the scene. Then you want to make the 4 anchors go to that corner as well. Now let's run this project. Let's now try and resize our project that we just ran. And you see that the blue square isn't changing in size and is anchored to the corner of the project. Place the anchors at all of the corners of the node, and let's run the project again. And when we resize it, it will scale along with the project. Remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel.